If you're facing billing issues with your Capital One account, follow these steps to resolve them effectively. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. Step 1. Review your statement. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Airshock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Gather documentation. Collect all relevant documents, including your billing statement, payment receipts, and any correspondence with Capital One. This information will be helpful when you contact customer service. Step 3. Contact customer service. Call Capital One's customer service number or use their online chat feature. Explain your billing issue clearly and provide the documentation you gathered to support your claim. Step 4. Follow up. If your issue is not resolved during the initial contact, ask for a reference number and follow up within a few days. Keep a record of all communications for future reference. Step 5. Escalate if necessary. If the problem persists and you are not satisfied with the resolution, consider escalating the issue. You can request to speak with a supervisor or file a formal complaint through Capital One's website. By following these steps, you should be able to address and resolve any billing problems with Capital One efficiently.